Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. National Commercial Bank NCB says it has resolved the issues that led to customers facing difficulties at ABMs and point-of-sale terminals. Customers complained they were unable to withdraw money from their accounts at some ABMs. Some also had challenges buying things using their debit cards. NCB says the issue on Sunday stemmed from a technical glitch with its network, which impacted Visa debit card users, particularly those using ABM, point-of-sale, and e-commerce channels. Today, a technical issue on the JETS network temporarily affected multi-link transactions at ABMs and point-of-sale channels. NCB says its teams are putting together measures to minimize a repeat. The government is looking to promote fair competition in the liquefied petroleum gas industry. Energy Minister Darrell Vass says an LPG working group was established last year to put together a draft code of conduct.
To improve the relationships among the LPG bulk distributors, dealers and retailers. This code of conduct is being finalized by the working group chaired by Mr. Wayne Chen, and when finalized and implemented, it seeks to encourage fair competition between industry players with the ultimate goal of providing more efficient service to customers, while the owners of the assets realize a reasonable return on their investment.
About 80% of the local LPG market is held by Gaspro, a subsidiary of Trinidad-based Massey Group. The increased market share was due to Massey acquiring local LPG and oxygen company IGL. Meanwhile, Mr. Vass says legislation is being finalized to govern the industry.
The Petroleum Downstream Activities Bill is now in the fourth drafting stage and will be finalized soon and submitted to the Legislative Committee this fiscal year for review and implementation. The bill, when it becomes an act, will regulate the activities related to the petroleum downstream sector, including importation, refining, blending, storage, terminal operations, bulk distribution, retailing and transportation of all petroleum products, including liquefied petroleum gas.
LNG operations will also be governed by the Act. The legislation will make way for the National Regulatory and Compliance Authority to monitor the industry. Mr. Vass says 86% of households in Jamaica use LPG. Regency Petroleum is raising $1.4 million through a privately placed offer. The offer of secured notes due 2025 was arranged by GK Capital Management. The US dollar fixed rate secured notes will be issued in two tranches, with tranche A amounting to $600,000. These were raised as of June 30. Tranche B, which is worth $800,000, is expected to be deployed on or before September 29 this year. Regency Petroleum says the funds will be used to build a private station located on Spanish Town Road. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.21. $116.81 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $197.80, while it's costing $171.75 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 1,424 points today, while the junior market index gained 9 points. Among the 48 advancers, ISP Finance Services, Jamaica Public Service 9.5% shares, Caribbean Cream, Lasco Distributors, and Access Financial Services. The 42 losers include Paramount Trading Jamaica, First Rock Real Estate Investments, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Siboney Group, and Salada Foods. 16 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.